How to install the step and slide locks set easy step-by-step installation. Step 1. Choose a standard door, wood or aluminium. Step 2. Make sure you clean the inside of the door thoroughly. Step 3. Measure 900 millimeters from the bottom on the inside. Place the mounting template aligning the black line with the door edge. Step 4. Drill pilot holes using a 2 millimeters drill bit. Step 5. Drill a 30 by 15 millimeters emergency access hole using a 15 millimeters drill for safety. Step 6. Mount the lock using the 30 millimeter screws for the main box and the 25 millimeter screws for the lower brackets and emergency cover. Step 7. Test the lock by stepping on the foot plate and pulling the door open.